Moving on from question 5 to question 6 of logical reasoning drill set number 6 over at lawhub.lsac.org. We've got the highlight tool ready to go as always, and we read the question stem first, which states, which one of the following most accurately describes a flaw in the reasoning above? So we're just going to identify flaw in the reasoning above because that is the task. We're going to read the statements on the left, and then we're going to highlight the conclusion only and see if we can't broadly predict a flaw as we evaluate that argument in full. So the statements read, the asteroid Alpha 6, with a velocity of 85,000 kilometers per second, has for many years been the fastest known non-planetary object in our galaxy. Recently, some astronomers claimed to have discovered a new asteroid moving at 93,000 kilometers per second. Due to an error in the computer program responsible for analyzing the astronomical data, however, the velocity of the new asteroid was greatly overestimated. So, despite these recent claims, Alpha 6 is the fastest non-planetary object in our galaxy. So, we will just highlight the conclusion here that Alpha 6 is the fastest non-planetary object in our galaxy, and it's based on these recent claims, which are about the one other seemingly recently discovered asteroid moving faster than Alpha 6. But hopefully, you've got a prediction of a relatively common flaw already in mind, because it says Alpha 6 is the fastest non-planetary object in our galaxy. Well, it's the fastest that we've discovered, and if we had the word discovered in here and or known non-planetary object in the answer choice, that would be a valid argument. But here we have to have that qualifier. And once again, if you identify a term shift, you can highlight the term shift from the evidence to the conclusion to help you really focus in on what the flaw might be. Thank you for watching this explanation video of logical reasoning drill set number 6 over lawhub.lsac.org. If you enjoy the tips it contains, please consider liking the video and subscribing to MyGuru's channel to be alerted when new explanation videos are released by MyGuru. Also, check out the description below because within it you'll find links to additional resources from MyGuru and additional full prep test sets of video explanations. In the meantime, let's get back to this video explanation. So we should have that mental prediction of actually it's just the fastest known non-planetary object. We can't go to the fastest overall because there might be something we just haven't discovered yet. So starting with choice A with our highlight tool ready to go to identify reasons to eliminate as we go. It reads, it takes for granted that astronomers will never discover any non-planetary objects in our galaxy moving faster than Alpha 6. Maybe this seems relevant, so let's leave that open for now. Then, choice B, it fails to provide conclusive scientific evidence for the claim that the astronomer's computer program was flawed. It does this, but it's not the flaw. So this is really a task reversal. It's something that isn't there necessarily. It's just the error in the computer program. Yeah, we may need additional evidence if somebody asked, but we don't have that as a flaw. We're just taking it as fact, so we should be able to eliminate B. It's just simply something that isn't the flaw that's present. Then choice C, it takes for granted that because the fastest known non-planetary object in our galaxy is traveling at a certain speed, no non-planetary object in our galaxy could ever travel any faster. Again, reasonably relevant. So let's hold on to choice C as well. Then choice D, it overlooks the possibility that there is a non-planetary object in our galaxy that is moving faster than Alpha 6, but that has not yet been discovered. That is exactly the prediction and the term shift that we found. And you can see we didn't, if we were actually attempting the LSAT and working through this problem, we didn't parse A and C too closely here. We're like, they're relevant. We'll go back for the purposes of this video and explain why they're wrong here in a moment for very subtle reasons. But allow yourself to go briskly because D should jump off the screen and it is our correct answer. Of course, for the purposes of the video, we'll go eliminate the remaining answer choices, continuing with choice E. So it states it presumes, without providing justification, that the fastest moving non-planetary object in our galaxy must be an asteroid. Well, it doesn't say it has to be an asteroid. So again, that's just not the flaw that's present. But let's go take a look answer choices A and C that are very similar in structure to the correct answer of D, but have some specific reasons we can actually eliminate them. So choice A, it's about astronomers. We don't need to be astronomers. It could actually be a layperson. So choice A, that is not the flaw because it doesn't say that it has to be astronomers that don't discover the new fast moving or faster moving non-planetary object. And then choice C, it takes for granted that because the fastest known non-planetary object is traveling at a certain speed. Well, it's not because Alpha 6 uh, travels at 85,000 kilometers per second that you won't find anything else that could ever travel any faster. So again, that's the specific reasons that A and C are incorrect. But hopefully, we were able to work through this more efficiently by having a prediction, going briskly, and leaving open answer choices that might be true until we found that D was absolutely the predicted flaw that we had before even engaging the answer choices for number 6.